I'm doing Pencil 2D is because it is a basic program. There are some videos online about it, but I thought I would go through it because it's probably one of the programs that everyone was, or most people could download. But there are other programs that you might be using that have more features. However, a lot of those programs have better videos that go along with them that I can link to the assignment. But I thought I would go through this one. So essentially it's quite basic, so don't make it more difficult than it is. The tools, if you hover over them, will say what they are. There you go, a pencil tool, eraser tool, select tool if you're selecting an object. This tool is to move the object around the page. This is the pen tool, so similar to pencil, but we'll have some different edges. This one will move the canvas around. This one is the polyline tool for creating lines and curves. Paint bucket tool, just to get like a one color background in there. Eyedropper tool, pick up colors so that you can make things the same color in each frame and copy colors. And then the brush tool, which will have different things than the pencil tool. So for example, it will look more like a brush than a pencil. And then the smudge tool to liquefy the edges so the edges don't all look like completely straight. You might want to have some edges that look more curved, liquefied. So that's what that one's for. I'll start with this. I'm going to change the brush size a little bit and go through just basically how you can copy from frame to frame. So say I was drawing a dude, and I'm going to be really fast. I don't have my pen working, so I'll just do a stick figure for simple sake. And make sure that you're on the first frame here in the bitmap layer. He's too tall. Okay, if I want his arm to move, for example, what you're going to do is you want to copy from frame to frame. So you can go edit, copy, and then you can create a new frame. So if you're on this one, you should be able to see the onion skin of it. There we go. So we have the onion skin, but if you go edit, paste, it should paste in the same spot. And then I can use my eraser tool to erase his arm. You can also change the size of the eraser tool. So you'll see the onion skin underneath, which means that's the layer. When we select these parts here are the onion skin. And then you can put on a new arm here. And then if you want to play it, it won't really show much because this is only like 2 frames, but you're going to need a lot more frames. But how it moves like that. Okay. For this video it's 15 seconds. I suggested a 24 here frames per second. It's just on how fast it is. So if it doesn't look right, you can change it from 24. But that's what I suggested. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And if you guys have questions, let me know. If you have questions about other applications, let me know. This one's very simple, but some of the other ones have more features, which is better, but you might have more questions about them, so let me know. Okay, thanks.